Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Fitness Center Management System. And I have developed this project in Java, JSP, and MySQL. The version for the Java I'm using is the JK 1.8, and for Tomcat I am using the Tomcat version 7. But if you have the Tomcat version 8 and 9, you can also configure and run this project on the Tomcat version 8 and 9, right? For front-end development, because it's a web application project, so for front-end development I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and some of the jQuery library also have used, like form validations and the date calendar plugin integrations. I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project. One more thing, this is a little bit a bootstrap theme, means if you open this project in the mobile and it's a responsive, little bit responsive. I'm not saying that it's 100% responsive, right? So these all things I have developed inside this. So this all technology I have used for developing this project, right? So let's start with the functionality, go through. So the project title is Fitness Center Management System. It's a DBMS mini web-based Java and JSP and MySQL project. Web-based because it will run on the browser. DBMS because we are using the MySQL for performing the CRUD application, create, read, update, and delete operations. Right. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is the home page. This is the about the project, and if you want to change the content, then you can also change the content of this page. This is a login page from where admin will be able to log in. Also, this is a mini project because it has only and only admin login, right? So this from where admin will be able to log in. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you will not be able to log inside the system. This is a contact us page. This is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. So the user ID is admin and password is test. So once you log inside the system, then you will get this dashboard, right? From here you will be able to perform certain operations, right? So these all operations admin can perform. Let me go through one by one. Home, I have already explained you. Dashboard, this is a dashboard from where you will be able to jump on the pages, right? The same dashboard menu is also available here in the header bar, right? So this is the add trainer. From here you will be able to add the trainer, right? So you can see this is the add trainer form from where you will be able to add the trainer. This is the add customer. All of the customers will be added here, right? All of the customers which is who has joined in the team, right, in the gym, right? You can add the customer details from here. Add payment, you can take the payment from this page. This is add payment. From here, this customer drop down will contain all of the customers which you have added. This is the month, date, and the amount, and the database, right? Descriptions. So once you enter the information, and after that once you save it, then those information will be saved into the database, right? This is the report part. Once it contains all of the trainer report, right? You can edit the trainer from here. You can edit the details and you can update the details, right? This is a customer report from where you will be able to see all of the customers. You can edit the customer details and you can update the details also. This is a payment report. All of the payment which you have collected from the customer will be displayed here. You can edit and update it also, right? This is a change password from where you will be able to update your account password, and after updating your account password you will be able to log in with that updated password, right? This is a logout. Once you log out from the system, then the above menu will not be displayed. The administration menu will not be displayed because it's a session driven menu and it comes according to the session. If session is set, then it will be rendered. If session is not set, then it will not be rendered, right? So once I click on the logout, you can see the above administration menu is not coming, right? But if I log in, then above administration menu is displaying, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project, Fitness Center Management System. And if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.